Check the laminate saw and all the parts for any signs of damage. Now remove the cable tie, checking the cable for any signs of damage. If the laminate saw shows any signs of damage, do not use it and return it to your retailer for a replacement. Attach the 4 feet to the saw using the screws that are included. Slide the dust collector onto the dust extraction port. To produce a rip cut, slide the saw along and push the locating pin in to hold the saw in position. Press the off button to check that the saw is not on. Then plug the laminate saw into the mains. Now put on all the safety equipment which is required to operate this tool. Press the on switch and allow it to reach full speed. Holding the workpiece against the rip fence, slowly feed the workpiece into the saw. When you get to the edge of the workpiece, it is recommended that you use the push stick which is included to complete the cut. Once the cut is complete, disconnect the saw from the mains. To produce a cross cut, you will need to remove the rip fence guide. Slot the cross-cut fence bracket into the 90-degree slot and then tighten the securing knob. Then insert the clamping arm to this corresponding hole. Lift the clamp arm and slide the workpiece along the bed and clamp the workpiece against the bed. Press the off button to check that the saw is not on. Then plug the laminate saw into the mains. Grip the saw handle firmly and press the on button. Allow the saw to reach full speed and then slide it into the workpiece. Once you have cut through the workpiece, slide the saw out of the way and turn the saw off. Once the cut is complete, disconnect the saw from the mains. To adjust for a mitre cut, reposition the cross-cut fence to a desired angle and insert the clamp into the corresponding slot and follow the cross-cut instructions. Remove the dust bag and empty the contents into a bin. Use a dry brush to clear the vents and clear the base of excess dust. Slide the saw along the guide and push in the locating pin. Remove the screw that holds the blade bolt cover in place. Swing the cover out of the way, revealing the blade bolt. Depress the spindle lock button and use the hex key to loosen and remove the blade bolt. Remove the blade from underneath the saw. Align the new blade on the shaft, making sure the rotational arrows on the blade are facing the same direction as the arrow on the fixed guard. Secure the blade in place with the blade bolt and replace the cover. Use the main handle to carry the laminate saw.